Hi friends, if you are looking for a clean design photography WordPress theme, this video is for you. In this video, I have stills, a focused WordPress photography WordPress theme, and this theme has been developed by Mayor Themes and they are elite authors. It was developed in 2018 and the updates for this theme is also being done regularly. Proportion are crucial in photography. The most important thing may often be happening on the side of an image. This is why still displays your works in their original aspect ratio. Your vision gets delivered uncropped. This is the theme introduction of a still WordPress theme, and in this video we are going to install stills, a focused WordPress photography theme. And if we talk about the demo website, this is the demo of stills theme, and it is having a very clear look, simple, to the point, focused, and it is going to give you a wonderful photography website. So let us begin the installation of a still WordPress theme. I have a fresh installation of WordPress in which the latest version of WordPress is running with the 2021 WordPress theme, and I have theme pack as well. In the theme pack I got demo content, licensing, changelog, documentation, and the Mayor stills WordPress theme. For installation, we have to go in the theme sections of WordPress, click on add new, upload theme, choose file, and here you need to choose mayor.stills.zip file. And if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same in the WP content themes folder. I am doing the same. It is going to save some time. However, both activities are same, don't get confused. Either you can upload the theme from WordPress panel or directly on the server. The theme size is just 4.06 MB. That is very lightweight theme in fact, and this is going to give you a fast running website, of course. And after installation, we will also preview the theme options, the customizations options available with this theme, and we will definitely import the demo content as well. Let the upload process gets complete. And once the upload bar turns green with 100%, we can go back and extract the uploaded file. And the extraction outcome is this Mayor stills folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folders and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one and come again to WordPress theme section. Now we have Mayor stills as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Mayor stills version 1.4.3 and this is photography theme. We can activate it now. Upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary plugins, and we will definitely install necessary plugins. These are the list of plugins. This theme uses very less plugins, and 3 are required and rest 2 are recommended only. So I am installing all the selected plugins in one go, and if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one. I am skipping to install Jetpack. We can install it on later stage. It is not required for the time being. And all plugins has been installed now, and we can activate all installed plugins. And now all the plugins and the theme itself has been installed. Now we can take a look of our website. This is the basic look of still WordPress theme, and it is without any demo content. And now we need to install demo content to make a target website like this, and this is going to be our target website. It is very simple and clear in look. This is why it is fast as well, and it has wonderful and simple inner pages, as you can see. So this is going to be our target website. And now let us move towards the installation of demo content. And this theme does not gives any one-click demo installation like option. This is why the demo content has been given in the theme pack, and there are two demo content files. One is for older version of WordPress and another is for the new and the latest version. We will definitely use this. For installing demo, we need to go in the tools section, import, and install the WordPress importer. After that, run importer, and here we have to choose the file of demo content. This is the file, WordPress 5plus.xml. Open it, upload file and import, and assign user. Click on download and import file attachments and hit on submit. And this may take a bit time because it is going to import or download the media files as well, and it is done in seconds in fact. And now we can take a look of our website again, and this is the website. Installation was very simple, and it has very limited page as it is a blog type photography theme, and the demo photographs, original images has not been provided in the demo pack. And of course we don't need the demo images. After all, we are going to put our own images, and since we have completed the installation, we can take a look of dashboard, what is available additionally. These are the theme options available, and nothing else is available. We can go to the theme options, and it has limited features available, and which is required in fact, and nothing much is required for this theme. This is general theme options. We can use logo, text logo, web icon, social icons, search icon and header, copyright text, and rest of things are here. We can control the colors of the theme, use custom colors, and you can use custom colors. These options for handling the colors, and fonts we can change, use custom fonts, and we can change the fonts as well. These are the options available in the Steel WordPress theme, and with this our installation process gets complete, and this is the target website, and we have some demo pages as well. I'll show you demo page. This is about us page. It is the same page as in target website, just images are not available, and we can simply compare this page about and this page about is same, just this image is not available, rest things are here. So I believe you like this video and you are going to use this theme for a simple photography blog website. And if you are having any questions, you can definitely write me in the comment section of this video, and I am also giving the link of my website where you can get this theme. And if you need hosting, the hosting is also available there. And I believe you have already subscribed this channel. If not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I am going to bring wonderful themes and plugins for you. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.